What's up, guys? You are welcome to Danemcom TV, where we publish news on politics, entertainment, celebrities, and metro stories. We have another trading news for you today, and the headline here is: Attack on South African businesses in Nigeria will hurt Nigerians more, federal government caution. Alright, guys, before I go ahead to read today's news to you, if this is your first time you are watching on our channel, please, there is a red subscribe button below this video. Just go ahead, hit the red subscribe button and then click on the bell icon beside it, so as to be the first to be notified whenever I publish news in the future on this channel. Now the news in detail. The federal government has appealed to Nigerians not to attack South African companies operating in Nigeria in retaliation for the outgoing attack against Nigerians in South Africa. In a statement issued in Abuja on Tuesday, the Minister of Information and Culture, Alhaji Lai Mohammed, described as deeply disturbing the report that some Nigerians, angered by the attacks in South Africa, have started attacking South African companies in Nigeria. He said that targeting South African companies in Nigeria for attack is for Nigerians a classic case of cutting off your nose to split your face, because the investors in such companies, especially MTN and Shoprite, are Nigerians. Alhaji Mohammed said the majority of the workers in the South African companies operating in Nigeria are also Nigerians, meaning that it's Nigerian workers who will be hardship hit if such companies are forced to shut down for fear of attacks. He assured Nigerians that the federal government is already taking decisive measures to put an end to the persistent attacks against Nigerians in South Africa. President Muhammadu Buhari has dispatched a special envoy to convene to his South African counterpart, President Ramaphosa, his concern, and also interact with his South African counterpart on the situation. Also, the Minister of Foreign Affairs, Mr. Godfrey Onyema, acting on the instruction of Mr. President, has summoned the South African High Commissioner to Nigeria to get a brief on the situation expressed. Nigerians show their displeasure on the treatment of our citizens in South Africa and secure assurance of the safety of their lives and properties, the minister said. Alright, guys, you have heard what is going on in South Africa between Nigerians and South Africans. South Africa attacking Nigerians in South Africa, burning their business, their cars, many things, even lives are lost in South Africa. And according to analysis of the news, many may say that why is Lai Mohammed saying such things? Or is it because the South Africans, the people that are attacked, or the properties that are burnt in South Africa that belong to Nigerians are mostly Africans, are mostly Biafrans who are in the know of the attack in South Africa? Maybe that is why, according to some questions, that the federal government is not taking the case seriously. As you could remember, some times ago, such attack has been going on in South Africa, and our government, the Nigerian government, is not doing anything serious about it. Only coming on air to throw big English, and it ends there, while the attack continues with our brothers in South Africa. Now, the question now is, the Nigerian youth has started to retaliate to the South African businesses at home. The government is coming out, as in the person of the Information Minister, Lai Mohammed, to say that attacking the companies in Nigeria that belongs to South Africans will be a hardship to our Nigerian people. Those that are working in the company, in case if the company is closed, and his reason go beyond to state that the people will suffer its outcome because of the people working there in the company, like MTN and the ShopRite companies, in case if they close. Now the big question is, should we, the citizens of Nigeria, fold our hands and continue watching the government of Buhari, who has nothing to offer, to bring to the solution to this matter? Earlier, the federal government of Nigeria has sent its envoy to the president of South Africa, but the outcome we are still waiting. If it will end as usual, where no action is put in place, and some months later you will hear South Africans killing Nigerians, houses are burned, cars and businesses are destroyed in South Africa, and when it seems like Nigerians just retaliate once, the government, the cabals, in the name of Lai Mohammed, will come out to say that Nigerians attacking South African companies will be an opposite side of Nigerians who are working in the companies. Nigerians are worried over the lives and properties being destroyed by the South African people. Upon the talk between the two countries at the just concluded G7 summit in Japan, if you believe with me, our Nigerian President Muhammadu Buhari, with the South African president, they met in Japan, and many believe that the issue of their discussion was because of the attack that is happening to Nigerian citizens in South Africa. Well, guys, I think many Nigerians are in disagreement over what the Information Minister said on the side of Nigerians at home, who went out due to annoyance to set on fire the MTN office and ShopRite complex. Well, guys, before you go, it is very important that you share your own opinion on this topic. Meanwhile, do not forget to hit on the red subscribe button and then click on the bell icon beside it, so as to be the first to be notified whenever I publish news on this channel, Dynamic TV. You are welcome.